Is Wix free to create a website? Yes, Wix is free to create a website, but it comes with limitations. The free plan allows you to use Wix's drag-and-drop editor to design and publish a fully functional site without any coding knowledge. This makes it a great option for beginners or those testing the platform. However, your site will include Wix-branded ads, and you won't get a custom domain. Your URL will look like yourname.wixsite.com. Additionally, the free plan restricts access to advanced features like e-commerce tools, ad-free hosting, and SEO optimization. For more functionality and a professional appearance, you'll need to upgrade to one of Wix's premium plans, which start at $16 per month. In short, while Wix lets you build a website for free, the limitations often make upgrading necessary for serious projects. If this video helped clarify Wix's pricing, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.